Welcome students to our today's lesson. Today we are going to study about the power supply and distribution systems. And for instance, you know that when power is being transmitted from one place to another, we have got a different combination of those phases until it reaches to the consumer. So there are two types of supply. We have got the AC supply system, we have got the DC supply system. You know that AC abbreviates the alternating current, while DC abbreviates the direct current. And we want to look at the different combinations of those phases in the distribution of the AC power and the distribution of the DC power. So for instance, let's look at the systems available for the distribution of AC power. So for instance, we have started with the AC power supply system. So we have got 5 different types of AC power distribution systems. So the first one is single phase. We have single phase, 2-wire system. Then the other one is single phase, 3-wire system. The third one is 2-phase. 2-phase, 3-wire system. D is 2-phase. Two-phase, 4-wire system. Then we have 3-phase, 3-wire system. Then the last one is G, which is 3-phase. Three-phase, 4-wire system. And I want you to note this. In these AC power distribution systems. So for instance, when you have been taught it is a single phase 2-wire system, it shows that the incoming, if this is the transformer, this is the incoming, this is the live, then we have our neutral, the outgoing wires or the supply wires after it has been fed into the transformer, this is the supply. So we have got the single phase. You know that single phase consists of 2 wires, which is the live wire and the neutral wire. You know that the combination of this live wire and this neutral wire gives us the single phase. So this is the single phase. And for instance, after they have been fed into the transformer, we have got the outgoing wires. So the first name here, which is the single phase, gives us, this is the part, it represents this part. And the 2-wire system, now this is the outgoing part. So you can see that the outgoing part, we have got 2 wires. This is the live and the neutral. So in short, it is the single phase 2-wire system. So for instance, this first part is this one, which is a single phase. Then the outgoing part, which is also producing 2 wires, which is the live and the neutral. So it is the single phase 2-wire system. So if you have been taught to sketch the single phase 2-wire system, ensure that you have sketched it in such a manner that you have got the transformer being fed by a single phase and the outgoing, which is from the secondary side, has got also 2 wires, which is the live and the neutral. So let's go to the single phase 3-wire system. So for instance, if it is a single phase 3-wire system, you can see first of all the transformer is being fed by 2 wires, which is the live and the neutral. Then the outgoing wires, they are now 3. This part here will produce 3 wires, which is the secondary side, and they will be like this. Yeah, through this one. Let's go to the second one. The single phase 2-wire. You can see that it has got 3 wires. So this one is the live wire. We have got the neutral wire and the live wire. So it is bringing up this name of the single phase, whereby we have got the live and the neutral, and a neutral tapped at the center of the transformer to produce. We have these 2 live wires. We have this L and this L to give us the 2 lives. So we have L1 and L2 and this neutral wire. So in total it is giving us a total of 3 wires. So we call it a single phase and 3-wire system. Let's go to the 2-phase 3-wire system. When it comes to the 2-phase 3-wire system, this is how it is drawn. This one, 2-phase 3-wire system. So for the 2-phase 3-wire system, for instance, now here we have got 2 transformers, and this is how it is portrayed. So for instance, here we have got 2 transformers, and you can see from every transformer we have got this transformer is producing a live, this other one is also producing a live, then at the center of the transformer is where we get our neutral. So for instance, if you have been told to draw the 2-phase 3-wire system, so when it comes to the 2-phase or 2-wire systems, let's complete this transformer. You can see it is being fed by a single phase, live and neutral. This other one is being fed by a single phase, which is the live and neutral. So you can see the combination of these 2 transformers. Each transformer will produce a phase. So we have this phase and we have this phase. So from the outgoing, which is the secondary side, we will get 2 live wires, which is we have this live and this other live wire to give us the 2 phases. Then at the center of the transformer, we get our neutral. So for instance, you can see that if it is 2-phase, we said a phase is a live wire. So we have this live and we have this live wire to give us the 2-phase. And from the outgoing side, we get our 3 wires, whereby you can see that we have this live and we have this live, and again we have this neutral at the center. So it will give us the 2-phase, this and this, and the 3 wire, this live and this live, with the neutral tapped at the center. So it will give us the 2-phase 3-wire system. So that is how you draw the 2-phase 3-wire system distribution, AC distribution system. So let's go to the next one. The next one is a 2-phase 4-wire system. This one, 2-phase 4-wire system, and this is how it is drawn. So this is the two-phase four-wire system. When it comes to the two-phase four-wire system, you can see that from the outgoing side, we have got four wires. We have got this wire, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the combination is 4 wires. Then you can see from every transformer, each transformer is being supplied by a single phase. Let's manipulate it. So every transformer is being fed by a single phase, which is live and neutral. This is live and neutral. So from the incoming side, you can see that we have got 2 transformers, whereby each transformer is a single phase. So the combination of these 2 live wires, these and these, the phases alone will give us the 2 phase. Then from the outgoing side, we have got 4 wires, which is, we have got live 1, neutral 1, live 2, neutral 2. So for instance, you can see that we have got 4 wires. So if you have been taught to sketch, because most of the time they normally tell you to sketch, like for instance to sketch the 2-wire, 4-wire, 2-phase 4-wire system, make sure that you sketch it like this. Although I will give you some notes that will enable you to understand better and the copy. So let's go to the next one. So the other one is a 3-phase, the 3-wire system, the 3-phase 3-wire system. This is how it is drawn. So for instance, when it comes to the 3-phase 3-wire system, so you can see for instance we have got this is a transformer which is in delta connected transformer. So in this transformer, for instance, if we take for example, if we elaborate it like this, you see that we have this live, we have a neutral, so you will find that in the incoming side you will be having the 3 live wires, which will give us the 3-phase. So you can see we have this. We have this and we have this. So the 3 live wires, which is the 3 L's, will give us the 3-phase. While from the outgoing side is where we have our, again, the 3 wires we have said here, whereby it is a 3-phase 3-wire system. So you can see that we have 1, 2, 3. So if you have been also told to sketch the 3-phase 3-wire system, ensure that you sketch it like this. So we have the last one, which is the 3-phase 4-wire system. We have the 3-phase 4-wire system. So when it comes to the 3-phase 4-wire system, so you can see that for our case we have got 3 3 limbs. So for instance, you know that we will get our 3 phases from the incoming. Then from the outgoing, this is where we tap our neutral wire. So this is live 1, live 2, live 3. So for instance, we are feeding 3-phase power supply into this particular transformer. Then from the outgoing side, we get again 3 wires plus the neutral wire tapped at the center of the limbs to get a total of the 4 wires. So we have got this L1, L2, and L3 to give us the 3 phases. So we have an additional wire, which is the neutral wire, to give us the 4 wires. So it is a 3-phase, 4-wire distribution system. So thank you so much. Let's meet in our next class.